I guess.
I'm drinking in this just to be safe. So I don't know. पता नहीं मुझे.
Apple
Maybe you
juice.
should.
Yeah, apple juice.
Cool. Should be fine. Now they have declared it.
Yeah.
अबे बैटरी चला गया यार.
Oh my God. What a start, man.
We have got our NRI European boy with us. We have got our Bangalore boy with us.
Bro, you can't smoke on stream, you piece of shit. What
Edit
the
कर
fuck?
देना. Edit कर देना.
You can see my screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Correct. Finally.
Yeah.
Okay, the good thing is we can see form here. So that's good.
Oh, this is
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Cool. Let's start.
Yep. Yeah, let's go. Mexico first. Oh no,
I feel...
also Belgium.
Yeah, Belgium. Belgium निकल गया. Yeah, Czechia, bro. Czechia was good. I watched them play against Denmark, and they were
Is
fucking
that win
solid.
rate over there?
Yeah,
No,
that's the
that's
current
it.
form. Current form, like win. Stick is a
current form
win.
and world ranking.
World ranking.
Oh, world ranking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. That is 60% win rate, South Africa.
But not bad. Huh? Korea is better than Czechia.
Yeah, but I'm saying based on what I saw. So I watched both the legs of Denmark. I was hoping Denmark makes it, but Czechia is solid, bro. Like in terms of defense, they're good. Offensively, they're not the best, but defensively, they're pretty solid. So they will definitely be 1 or 2 in this group.
About who? Like
Yeah, it's Mexico or Czechia for me.
So
1 and
look,
2.
we know South Africa is not going to make it.
no.
No.
But then South Korea also, they have a good track record, na? In World Cup.
No, they didn't make it, but they eliminated Germany. Last World Cup or last to last?
Last to last हुआ तो.
Last to last World Cup.
That German team was shit also. Do you think that curse will continue? What curse?
What curse
The
is this?
winners of the...
Not happening. Not this time.
Actually, last time भी नहीं हुआ था ना. France तो made it to the finals again.
Yep.
What is the curse again?
And usually the winners...
The winners don't make it past the group stage.
Winners of the previous World Cup.
Yep. That happened to Germany. It happened to Spain.
happened to Italy.
Spain was
Italy
insane.
is not. Let's not talk about Italy.
So sad.
Italy is an entire storyline in itself.
Yeah, it's just a sad, very sad. Yeah.
Chalo, yeah, that's good. I put
Yeah. So Mexico or Czechia?
Yeah.
Either
For me,
one.
Mexico first and then Mexico.
Mexico. Yeah.
Yeah. I think Mexico.
Okay.
Oh, they have home team advantage also. No? So
Yeah,
they're
true.
well
ground,
placed
yeah.
now.
And then Czech.
And then Korea. And then
Korea, South Africa.
Yeah.
Yep. Good.
We're not giving Korea a chance.
Diya na third.
Yeah.
We know your affinity towards the Asians.
Wow.
Divorce करा के रहेगा ये.
I saw this. Reminds me of South Africa. I saw this video today on Twitter. There was this kid. He was the only person at the airport who came to receive the South African team. Just one kid.
That sounds like all of our sports in India.
कोई player का बच्चा होगा.
except for cricket.
No, he was wearing a Mexican kit. So yeah, he was clearly not a South African.
Mexico का jersey पहन के South Africa को receive करना है.
Outside the team hotel. So, and he
Wow.
took selfies with all of them.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Bill
He's
Jackson.
playing the game of odds. How old is he?
He was a kid, like maybe 5, like 10 years old. Yeah.
Yeah. ना यार meme ढूंढ के डाल देना ठीक है edit पे.
paid performer था वो.
Okay, next group.
Cool. Next, B. I think
Oh,
Switzerland tops.
ranking
Switzerland tops this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
France.
Let's do that.
Okay. Switzerland. Their defense
Cool.
is also always very strong, right?
Yeah, I think Swiss makes clearly wins this
The
group
top
for sure.
the group. Go for
Yeah.
Canada second, I guess, home team भी है. But Qatar made it to World Cup, on their own merit this time.
On merit, yeah.
On merit. Did you see how they kicked out Indian team? Yeah. Did you guys see?
Oh yeah, I know. That was
I will say it.
Foul play.
that was fucked up, dude. Let's put them
Yeah,
at the end.
Canada, I'm assuming second.
Edit.
Yeah.
Or Bosnia.
That's, maybe Canada edges them. Yeah.
I mean, Canada,
Yeah.
I think Bosnia is going through.
they might go through as a third team. Canada यार home team भी है भाई.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
I don't know actually. I want to see the friendlies to get more insights, but yeah.
For
We'll
now,
see.
let's do this.
For now, let's put this. Yeah. Let's see.
I'm hoping for an upset in Group C.
Group
Group
C.
C. Yeah.
You know, yeah, I think Brazil finishes second.
Group
I have a
of
feeling.
death, ना? Group of death है कोई? What do you think?
I don't think there's any group of death.
I mean, for me, this group is the hardest. Group F. This is going to be a very tight group.
Because they all are average.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's call them average. Yeah.
See, but even in this group, you would expect Netherlands to go through.
Yeah, obviously. Next. Brazil.
Yeah.
obviously. Brazil.
I feel Brazil will finish second, bro. That's just a harsh take, but
Wait.
Something
Which are the
feels-
teams? Brazil's there, Haiti, Scotland, and
Morocco.
which is Morocco.
You think Morocco?
see, I'll put my prediction and then
Morocco
we
first.
can rearrange.
Same. I agree.
Yeah, I don't mind. It's just that,
It's this between these two.
bro, come on. I mean, I understand why you're going with Morocco, with
Yeah.
Hakimi and everyone, but come on, man. Vinny, Rafinha, Ancelotti है वहाँ पे. This Casemiro, Marquinhos. That
Arey, bro, they're
Gabriel
solid team. Brazil is solid. I'm not saying, but they have not been convincing in the last 2-3
I
World
just
Cups.
feel
So
they are going to come with an intention to like honestly win. When was the last
I
time?
hope
they-
so.
See, they don't
2002.
have.
Yeah.
They don't have a crazy creator that I know of.
Paqueta is the only one, to be honest.
The other midfield is kind of.
They really need to like keep running, which is what Vinny does, right? He cuts across.
Yeah, Vinny
That's
runs,
his pace.
Rafinha runs.
But you have Hakimi and you got that entire Moroccan team is very solid defensively.
Yeah, they did
Yep.
perform well, man. Like, I know,
They're
but
pretty
this
solid.
Club, even this AFCON. I don't know. I just feel that
Yeah.
Ancelotti as a manager will make. Do you feel that it will make any difference? He has
Maybe.
won what 4
For
champions,
sure.
right? Or 5
See, he's
champions.
he's a knockout specialist. So you never know.
Yeah, but I'm also saying that intention only. Like he knows
Yeah,
how
so
to.
maybe Brazil finishes second and they go all the way.
देखो रखना है रख ले.
No, I'm just saying. It's
Yeah,
not like
it's just going to mess up our आगे के predictions.
And so
Let's
I
stick
think,
to this.
I think
Brazil
keeping,
wins.
keeping Brazil
Okay, just show me
versus
just
Russia.
once. Just
Yeah.
let's see the recent form दोनों का.
yeah.
Morocco's got better form.
World ranking also they're quite close, man. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I don't mind them going. Yeah, I don't mind taking a route. Yeah, let's do it. I mean, they did perform better than Brazil last World Cup, so why not?
Yeah.
Who is on the goal for Brazil?
For Brazil, yeah, it should be Ederson or
Ederson, probably.
Allison. Yeah, one of most probably Allison. Yeah.
Most probably Alisson. But the guy is very
Yeah.
injury prone right now. So
Mm.
Ederson could also be there.
I don't mind going with this honestly. Why not?
Okay. Our
controversial.
heroes for
Yeah.
in Group D.
Ah,
USA.
Americano.
Arcano. I would go
Maybe-
with Turkey first because of my
Yeah.
Guler boy.
Guler. Yeah.
But
Love for
USA
Guler.
also has a decent team, honestly.
See, Australia is also there.
We can pull this up again.
USA is 18. What 16?
16. Yeah.
Wow, okay, not bad. Okay, let's put.
I think Turkey is solid. The rest of the teams are all similar.
Yeah.
कौन है यूएसए का कैप्टन कौन है? कौन था लास्ट टाइम?
Pulisic.
Pulisic.
वही है ना?
Yeah. Yeah.
But he's had a
called-
pretty bad season in AC Milan this time.
But I saw the game against who did they play? Senegal. They beat Senegal 3-2. 3-2. Yeah. But
Who scored?
Pulisic was like hot, like crazy, like insane on the left side, creating chances. Even scored a goal, I think.
I would keep USA first. I have a bias obviously for Guler, but I would keep USA first and then Turkey.
I think, but then
Who
Turkey
is that
chokes.
other guy Turkey में? The
Chaganolu.
yeah,
That guy.
correct.
Hakan. Yeah.
Hakan, the guy in Inter
Yeah,
Milan.
but that's it.
He's the
That's it.
captain. Yeah.
Guler will have to do some crazy shit on
Nay, this guy, dude. The Bayern Munich guy. No, Juventus dude. Yildiz. He's also good. Kenan
Hello?
Yildiz.
Paraguay has a chance. Yeah, I think so.
Paraguay.
South American.
Yeah, I think Australia finishes last. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. But Australia, what? Australia was 2-1 last World Cup, now against Argentina.
Australia, no. Australia came in the quarterfinals. Sorry, the round of 16 last year.
Yeah, and they almost defeated, right? Argentina. Close, tha na? 2-1, 2-1.
Yeah, Messi scored a
2-1,
crazy
no,
goal.
3-1.
2-1.
3-1? 2-1.
That was the one
2-1,
Messi dribbled
2-1,
past like
2-1.
3-4 players, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Penalty मिला था?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think, no.
No, not that. Not that.
Penalty, good guess. हो सकता था. 5
Penalty
penalty लिया है
so
तो.
he got against good teams. Germany, such a sad team, dude. I guess one
It's
of the
actually
worst
hard,
teams
you know.
last
What?
20 years. Or the weakest giant team, I would say.
Germany, really?
Yeah, no?
Yeah. Germany, Ecuador.
Germany. All wins.
I think it goes according to the rank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Germany-
I think we
Ecuador
should
are
not
very close.
we should not look at the rank and
No, I'm not.
kind of
I-
biasing us. No?
I mean, I think all three teams. I think Germany is definitely going to win the group.
Curacao for sure last.
Don't
So
you
it's
think
just
that
a matter.
Ecuador has a chance of
Yeah,
think so.
Ecuador
Okay,
one,
so we-
Ecuador can give a good fight. They have
It would be-
solid backline.
Ivory Coast, it could be Ecuador. Hard to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a Champions League winner in the backline, bro. Ecuador.
I feel
Pacho.
कौन है?
अगर
Pacho,
upset
the
होने वाला है
centre back.
तो
Yeah.
जर्मनी के साथ होगा, not Brazil. But not here, not in this group.
Not-
Ecuador
no.
can start.
No way.
Ecuador second आएगा, I feel. Yeah.
Germany will be first for sure. You can put Germany first. Germany.
Yeah.
Germany.
What's the lineup? Neuer है ना? पता नहीं.
Ah,
He's
Noruega,
Neuer is
Kimmich, then
Goretzka.
Jonathan.
वो कौन?
नहीं, Goretzka नहीं.
Wirtz.
Jonathan Ta.
Wirtz.
Rich will be there. Wirtz. And Musiala.
Musiala. वो इंजरी था ना उसको? Is he recovered?
He's back. Yeah. Then
Nabi-
that young kid, bro, that right winger, that Karl. What is his name?
No,
Karl something.
काल में हम तुम.
Nah, bhai, not that Karl.
It's the apple juice. What can I say? Germany में Karl Marx won't fly well, right?
No, it's not Das Hitler.
Yeah, so ये
What
demonetized
is it?
होगा ना? होने
पता
देते
नहीं,
हैं.
bro.
कौन?
Leonard Karl. Yeah, Leonard Karl. That kid, bro, like he plays like Messi, dude. It's pretty good.
ठीक है,
But
cool.
who's the right wing?
With this,
Right winger, yeah, bro. Right winger /10.
No. The
Yeah.
Gnabry is also there, no? The Gnabry.
हाँ, Gnabry is there. They have a bunch of other people as well, but
yeah, he was
most
part
probably
of the
ये लोग ही
Marx
start
buying
करेंगे.
team, right?
Goretzka is there.
8-2 में ठोका था ना? तेरे अगेंस्ट? तुम्हारे अगेंस्ट? Yeah, correct. क्या? What?
कौन?
Trauma?
Didn't you guys just lose to Ben?
Not 8-2. Not 8-2.
Bro, the refs killed the game, bro.
Yeah.
Let's not
And if
let's
we
not
had Courtois,
talk
we should-
about that
we
game.
You have to thank Kamavinga for that.
आड़ी गए, चल हाँ.
No. One
Push
second,
रहा.
I'm putting my charger. 1 sec.
तुझे स्कोर लाइन याद है?
मेरे को पूछ रहा है?
नहीं, नायर को.
हाँ.
हमें तेरा याद है. तेरा 8-2 ना, तू मर रहा होगा ना तब भी याद रहेगा.
We'll put a next to your grave. Oh no, you won't be buried. Sorry.
Yeah.
Group F.
Netherlands first.
Japan. Let's go.
Netherlands. Let's go Japan.
The Netherlands.
I think
You know, this
Japan
is-
will be first.
Japan will upset Netherlands. Hot take.
Yeah. Hot take है ये.
हाँ, मेरा.
You really think Netherlands fucked Argentina almost? ठीक है, last World Cup.
Bro, I think Japan.
Humphries है. Who is on the?
No. I think Japan and Netherlands will be the same score. Japan wins on goal difference.
Japan 18 is not bad. Look at that form. Back to back, huh?
Look
Bro,
at that. They keep
Japan
winning.
is insane, bro. Trust me. Japan
They always win.
well-oiled machine, dude.
Yeah, they're very efficient. That's true.
Yeah, they're very
Don't have, like,
good tactics, good structure.
There's a unit.
सब सही है. They're a unit. Yeah, they're a unit.
Yeah, but I would still bank on Netherlands. But अभी तुम्हारा vote है. तुम्हें देखो. Let's vote and tell who do you guys. I
Yeah.
vote for Netherlands first. You guys.
Okay.
Vote.
I think
For me-
Japan comes first. with a draw on points with against Netherlands.
That's possible, yeah. Yeah.
Bolo. Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
In USA. Let's go. Okay, Japan first then, I guess. Let's have some. Why not Japan?
It's hard, man. Like Tunisia and Sweden and all, I don't know. I can't really.
Sweden third.
Tunisia से better है.
They always play well, यार. मतलब तेरा वोट क्या है? These guys have voted Japan. तेरा वोट क्या है?
Yeah, Japan है मेरा. Japan first.
हाँ तो फिर जापान को रख ऊपर.
Yeah.
देख अपसेट तो होता है. देख हर ग्रुप स्टेज में every time the top teams don't like always stay on top, right? So I feel Sweden is also a decent team. Upsets हो सकते हैं.
You are understanding?
No, this is group of death for me, to be honest. This is like unpredictable है थोड़ा ये group.
Yeah.
We're talking about Group G.
No.
It's on Group F.
FF. Still on F. Yeah.
Group G is definitely a group of
This is
Iran is.
yeah, I know. This-
Oh shit.
those
Edit.
four players.
उसमें. They anyways wanted foot on ground, okay? मिल गया.
उनको वीजा मिला क्या जाने के लिए?
I think they're going to play in Mexico.
I think Mexico.
Oh yeah, true. They'll only play in Mexico. But what if they win, bro? What if they go to the finals?
That's
New
what
York
I'm
में
wondering.
final.
What are they going to do?
FIFA ने बोला
New
ना
York-
Iran will play in USA. FIFA has
Huh?
announced it कि Iran will play in USA.
Actually, that's what they announced it. Okay.
Yeah, but then Donald Trump also said they can play in the USA, but
But
let's see.
at their own risk.
anyways, chal Belgium first.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think Egypt will go second. Mo
Egypt.
Salah.
Yeah.
Mo Salah also last season.
Yeah, last
Yeah.
season. Last.
Sorry, last World Cup.
Yeah.
Last World Cup.
So all
Probably.
of them, there are like, actually a lot of top players playing their last World Cup.
Yeah.
But how old is Salah? 34?
Yeah, he should be mid 30.
You
30,
never
35
know.
के बीच
He
में.
could play one more.
I think he's your age now. 33 होगा वो.
Wow, all of us. So he's our age.
It's our age maybe. Yeah. Let's check.
Would you want Salah to come to Madrid?
No.
One
33. Bang on. 33.
Yeah.
He's actually our age.
One season. Yeah.
No, bro. No.
कौन है राइट विंगर हमारे पास?
Yeah,
नहीं है,
yeah.
वो पता है मुझे, but not Salah, dude.
Don't play right.
Mastantuono.
Plus, you know,
Mastantuono is,
Mastu should go on a loan, man. No.
Yeah.
I want him there.
क्या
He's
किया
perfect.
He did
He's one of the
something
best-
but he did.
तो अपना
Argentinian
बारसा
player.
देखना. Why do you care about Madrid players?
You're the guys who do these streamings. The Madrid
Yeah.
guys are so much more entertaining.
Oh.
This is the only season I saw,
Yeah.
which was mad, dude. It was so much fun.
We want to do a shout out to Divyansh.
Divyansh, Coach Ali.
कौन है ये?
Oh, you should watch, dude. Such entertainment.
Oh, Divyansh is that guy क्या? Speed का
Divyansh, yes, sir.
Indian version.
ये जो तू बोल रहा है ना रिएक्शंस जो तू बोल रहा है मजा आया तेरे को एंड ऑल. We watch Champions League reactions of Barcelona fans every season.
Yeah.
And तू इंडिया देखता है ना, हम वर्ल्ड वाइड देखते
But
हैं.
this time you could relate.
वो world wide देख
You've been relating for the past 2 seasons.
Every season, bro.
Uh,
एटलेटिको के सामने हार जाते हो यार. Like you all defeat fuck एटलेटिको ला लीगा में, कोपा डेल रे में, everywhere. But Champions League में
Yeah.
well, that's not true, is it?
how many times
Can you-
you allowed?
Can you even count on your fingers? Last time you won.
Yeah. Last year तक गिन पाता. Now you need to use it. और भी ऋतिक रोशन.
क्या?
We didn't get the joke.
11 years हुआ ना भेंचोद. कितने ऋतिक रोशन के पास फिंगर्स? हाँ?
Now you did you get the joke?
It's okay, we'll learn. We'll be there soon.
Yeah. Okay.
Promised land.
Okay.
Promised by Yamal.
Messi. वो इंटर में जीताएगा.
It's okay, bro. He won everything, ठीक है?
I will.
Which is-
इसको
it's
इतना
okay.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि बीच में मेसी वर्ल्ड कप जीता ना. So they are happy.
Yeah, we are happy. Actually, we are happy.
Yeah.
So they have like satisfied themselves.
Now just imagine अगर रोनाल्डो अगर जीत गया तो
Fuck, dude.
इंटरनेट will shut down, bro.
Barcelona will shut down. सब Instagram लॉकआउट कर देंगे. अपना जैसे नया देंगे.
हाँ, क्या
That is
करेगा?
Messi did it first.
हाँ?
Messi did it first.
Oh,
Oh my god.
wow. Yeah, नहीं bro, come
Messi
on.
was the first goat.
क्या बोलने का ना? Okay, let's go back to our predictions.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go
yeah.
back. Let's go back.
से यहाँ पे बेल्जियम ठीक है.
Iran third, New Zealand last for sure.
न्यूजीलैंड क्या है? न्यूजीलैंड का रैंकिंग क्या है? मेरे को देखना एक बार.
Yeah,
85.
yeah.
That's all we need.
बाकी
They've
तो
lost like
नीचे वाले
4 out of their 5 games. Hmm.
New Zealand plays in which region?
एशिया ना.
No.
Oceania.
Oceania.
And Australia plays in Asia for some fucking reason.
No, dude.
Really?
Yeah, they
Are you
play
sure?
different regions. I'm sure. Check her.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought
I didn't know
Australia
that.
was part of
Okay.
Oceania, whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Oceania.
Australia. So fucked up, right?
But yeah, this is clear, right? It's Iran and then
Yeah, yeah.
New Zealand.
नेक्स्ट.
Espanyol. Hate watch.
And so I went to Madrid. I stayed there and came, and I still don't want to support this shit fucking country.
Yeah. Because we were in Madrid.
Yeah, right now it's hate watch for me. For me, 2 teams are on hate watch.
Saudi Arabia.
What's on hate watch?
Oh, first.
No, bro, but Spain will win the group. They'll fucking win all 3 games. They'll win all 3 games.
Australia plays for AFC and New Zealand
Yeah.
plays for OFC. Ocean.
Ooh.
Yeah, Ocean.
Who is there in OFC? I don't even know the countries.
New Zealand.
That I know. That's
दूसरा आइलैंड जो बाजू में उसके.
it. Does Haiti play in that? No, right? Haiti is.
क्या मालूम? देखना है एक्चुअली ओएफसी में कौन है. कैन इंडिया बी पार्ट ऑफ ओएफसी?
Yeah, I hope so. Countries.
और कौन है?
ओएफसी.
But yeah, this is
Fiji
Uruguay.
है. Fiji है. Tahiti है.
Tahiti is in Moana, right?
Oh, Papua New Guiana.
Papua New Guinea.
Oh.
New Guinea.
You know.
Papua. Wait, Moana was Hawaii, right? By the way.
Hawaii.
हाँ भाई.
Ah, but possible like does come
Island.
like the
Island
from the
feels.
side.
Yeah.
Possible, why not? Anyways,
But Abhi, good.
Next.
Edge looks
yeah,
good,
I'm
right?
with this.
Next.
Really Norway, huh? Haaland, Odegaard.
Yeah, this is his first World Cup, na?
Yeah.
Crazy.
France.
They could also do some upsets. France will win, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, yeah, obviously.
Senegal, dude, second.
Senegal second, yeah.
Norway, I think Norway finishes second.
Yeah, not Senegal.
Yeah.
Senegal is playing, dude. They have like history. They have experience playing in World Cup.
France and they just won the African
No, 14th rank.
AFCON, yeah.
Come on.
AFCON.
Yeah, they won AFCON also, correct? They didn't. No, they उनको
Yeah.
निकाल दिया ना. They stripped it away and gave it to.
Yeah, gave it to
Yes.
Morocco.
ठीक है
Yeah.
यार, मतलब
Yeah. For me, it's Norway. Norway is solid. They only conceded 3 goals.
Yeah,
पूरे
but-
qualification में.
But
पूरे qualification
over
में. 10 games.
It's just racist, I feel, dude.
Oh,
well done. I was trying to avoid that.
यार तेरा क्या है? तेरा क्या है? तेरे को क्या
Now
लगता
it's your call.
है? हाँ, नायब बोल.
मेरे को क्या लगता है?
कौन जाएगा आगे?
Iraq.
Second position.
Iraq.
Iraq.
Iraq. Iraq is also
Iraq.
deserving. Iraq.
Yeah.
Wasn't the airspace closed for Iraq and Iran? How did they go?
बस.
By bus? By boat?
By boat.
Donkey.
तो सेनेगल के साथ गया होगा मतलब यूएस.
Okay. Since you guys are all saying Senegal, I'll put Senegal. But I feel Norway will be second.
Okay.
Sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
The
Argentina
ship has sailed.
last. Jordan first.
Argentina last.
Cool
Okay.
story, man.
That is hot take.
No, obviously Argentina first, but I don't think they are as strong as they were last World Cup.
Bro, I think nobody's talking about them because वो लोग जीत गए अभी. But team तो अच्छा ही है उनका.
Yeah. Who is
They
the goalie
will
that
they will
saved Booth?
perform.
Yeah.
हाँ, same
Martinez.
चूती है.
Fuck that
Yeah.
guy, dude. Mind fuck
I hate
everyone, dude.
I hate the Argentinian players. Like all of them. Maybe handful of them are good. But
Yeah, but that goalie, dude. Either way, he
हाँ.
fucked everyone.
Tell me other than like
bro, Otamendi, bro, क्या चूतिया है bro.
who
Otamendi,
are you
Martinez.
scared of? Like from Argentinian team?
Scared as in
Again,
like
Scared
I-
team you think would like actually carry the team or dominate or
Is Di Maria there? No, done.
No,
Di
no.
Maria.
no, sorry, it's not
See,
there
there were
this
Alvarez.
time.
Alvarez is damn good.
Exactly,
Then
Alvarez,
McAllister is also
Messi.
nice.
I feel as a Barcelona
Yeah.
fan you all should not talk only about or take his name also at this point.
Julian Alvarez. Yeah.
तूने
What
देखा
did
नहीं
he do?
एटलेटिको का पोस्ट?
देखा? Oh भाई, कांड मार रहे हैं हम लोग तो.
On
But you
what
know what?
basis, man?
Barca
What
sued
basis?
them, bro.
Obviously,
Barca's-
obviously.
Barca sued
What
them
is-
because he was in a fucking Nike kit. Oh no, Adidas kit. But he's no, the other way around. Who's the sponsor
Okay,
for?
Why would Barca sue them?
Yeah.
Barca
No.
can-
So Barca sued because Atletico started posting pictures of Barcelona players. Like Lamine को हम खरीद लेंगे.
Yeah. In their
We'll get Lamine for like a few peanuts
Correct,
and
correct,
whatever.
correct.
Yeah, no.
But then
मजाक
they have
करके.
claimed नीचे they have very clearly mentioned fake posts.
True.
Don't trust things on the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah. True.
It's not like they're
Yeah.
claiming or anything. They have very clearly put a disclaimer नीचे it's a fake post.
Yeah, and I think City is suing Madrid for Haaland का claim.
हाँ, उसके dad Alfie said ना.
Ah,
This
yeah,
is all
exactly.
nice and fun, but have fun with the election.
But how can they
Yeah.
sue Madrid? They'll have to sue that truth.
हाँ.
What I mean, what are
No,
people
because
saying
he
about? They can
saw he
obviously
held a
stop-
fucking jersey, dude, in Madrid kit. Haaland
Who?
number 9.
Who?
Number 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये वो podcast में ना?
What is his name?
Rekil में.
Riquelme.
Rekil में. Yeah.
Reclam
Yeah.
of the Dream. Yeah.
क्या बोल रहा था नायर?
I said Riquelme only, no?
Hmm.
Kill me. Okay, anyways, let's finish this shit.
Yeah. So
Jordan last, Argentina first, Austria and Algeria में पता नहीं मेरे को.
Austria is good, bro. Austria second आएगा.
Hey, click that form thing, no?
Yeah.
Oh, this is tough.
Yeah, Argentina first for sure.
Yeah.
Austria.
Austria, probably.
Yeah, I
looks like
Yeah.
Austria.
कौन है कोई? Algeria.
कल Algeria हाँ कल Algeria beat Netherlands
Oh wow. Okay.
and you know who the keeper is for Algeria?
Who?
Can you
Terrible.
guess?
Japan will win.
कौन है?
I'm saying guess. Can you guess? He's an ex Madrid coach का बेटा है. चल अब इतना तो बोल दिया अब.
Zizou.
Yeah.
हाँ लड़का.
हाँ.
What
He's
is-
Algeria's coach.
He
Lucas-
keep for us also, right? For a while, बीच में.
Lucas Zidane. Yeah.
हाँ.
He was man of the match, dude.
Oh,
For Algeria.
fuck is he playing for Algeria?
Wait. Algeria, he was the keeper for Algeria in the last World Cup also, if I'm not wrong.
Mother
Oh, was he? I
from
don't know.
Algeria.
I didn't know that he switched nationalities.
Because
Yeah.
Zidane
Mother
was
is-
celebrating him. He was there last season. Or in the Euros.
But wait, mother is
Euro.
Algerian.
Euro.
Algeria is, not Euros, my bad, AFCON.
Yeah, AFCON.
Hmm.
But yeah, Zizou is also half, right? Zizou is half French, half Algerian.
Oh, okay.
His roots are Algerian. I
Yeah. Or
Well-
maybe he's full Algerian. Yeah, he just played for France. I'm not
Algeria
sure exactly.
second.
But yeah, his son is playing and he was man of the match. So Algeria was.
Then only because of that, I'm going to say Algeria.
think. Nice.
But if you look at the odds, I think Austria will.
You want to see
It's
the
higher.
odds? You can see the odds also.
Yeah, I think Austria is higher.
I have the odds over here.
Ashwin, क्या पी रहा है?
Pani.
मग में.
Pani.
Okay, Algeria and who's the other one?
Austria.
Austria.
Austria has better odds.
Hmm. Yeah.
Much better odds, yeah. You want to go odds? We can go odds.
Algeria.
Yeah. Yeah, ठीक है, perfect sort. नहीं, Algeria has better odds.
No, Austria is better.
Austria has better odds, yeah. ठीक है, yeah, fine. Let's move it. By group knockout.
Viva Portugal. Let's go.
Portugal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
Then Colombia.
But yeah, these fuckers are.
Bro, where is
Let's
James
see.
Rodriguez playing now?
Club wise, I don't know. But
I
yeah.
think he was a free agent last.
कहीं तो खेल रहा होगा ना, but last he played with Ancelotti ना वहाँ पे Everton में.
Everton.
And then he went to
No. After that, he went to Qatar or something.
Qatar or somewhere.
Yeah?
Yeah. उसके बाद पता नहीं मेरे को. हाँ, but ठीक है, fair. Colombia, yeah, makes sense. What is that other team? COD? Cash on delivery.
Congo.
Congo.
Congo. COD.
Hey, Congo ऊपर ही रहेगा यार. Uzbekistan is the worst I feel.
Yeah. Fair.
Ames is playing in MLS.
Bro. 46-50.
Yeah, ठीक है. This is fine. Let's not waste time here.
Yeah.
आगे मजा आने वाला है knockouts में.
उसके सब कुछ
England first.
Yup.
Croatia.
Yeah.
तो हाउस गाना
Panama.
उसका देखना एक बार फॉर्म गाना का.
एक सेकंड ना. New pop-ups. Oh, whoa. I have to go back.
Start all over again.
No.
Just
Groups. Click groups.
I
Don't
hit
click
groups.
on reset. That's all. हाँ sort आ गया ना.
This is correct, right? Oh, whoa, no, not correct. Yeah.
एक बार गाना देख.
Yeah, just check
I want to
the.
see the 74.
Yeah. I think.
Panama is 33 भाई.
And Panama got fucked by Brazil, dude.
But I
a few days
think I
back.
don't think Panama is.
Brazil dude. भाई गाना है 74.
And they look at their form, dude.
Yeah.
Back to back
bad.
losses.
Like they have not won
It's very
anything.
That's the Panama
It's
third.
losses and draws.
Panama is third.
Yeah. Shall we pick the best third place?
Yeah. Pick knockouts. Let's go.
Oh, nice, good, perfect.
This should be okay.
Germany,
Okay, Germany versus Paraguay. Germany.
Okay.
France.
France versus
Just
Sweden.
France.
France.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Czechia, I feel Czechia will
Yeah, even I will
go
check.
through. And they're playing not in Canada. So that helps.
Yeah.
Can there be an upset?
Advantage.
Upset!
Can there be an upset? Possible.
No.
Possible.
No. This is
Possible.
not game. No.
They beat Brazil 3-2 back in December.
You
They've
wanna go
beaten
next?
Germany also.
Bro, whatever. This is a knockout phase, knockout stage है भाई. Ancelotti है. You have your Vinny, your fucking Rafinha, everyone have
Casemiro.
experience in playing.
And Marquinhos is also there.
Yeah,
Marquinhos
you have
is there.
Casemiro.
Gabriel है. Arsenal का जो जिसने मिस किया.
Right.
Like on paper, they have a good team. If
I
they
think
function
so.
as a team, good.
I know. I would.
Japan is a team. So
Oh,
So
he's banking on Japan now.
No.
Not
I think Brazil is better.
Hiroshima.
okay, let's go Brazil. We have a consensus. Yeah. Colombia, Croatia. Oof. Soft corner for Modric. Last World Cup.
Yeah.
I think Colombia goes through.
Yeah,
Or he can
Colombia is
beat
good.
Bank
Colombia is good.
James.
Huh?
Yeah, वो goal.
Luis Diaz, bro.
Okay,
Luis Diaz
first
is
of all,
the best.
James has played in MLS, and Luis Diaz is also awesome.
Yeah, top form में भाई.
Yeah.
This is actually crazy. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Plus, they all used to playing in that heat.
Heads and tails.
It's in Toronto, bro.
Also tails. Heads.
Oh, yeah. So it doesn't
Colombia, tails, Croatia. ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
Tails.
Okay.
I'm convinced.
Croatia.
I feel
Spain?
Yeah.
Spain.
Yeah, obviously.
favorites.
Spaniol.
Yeah.
USA.
America.
USA.
No.
They
Yeah.
defeat Italy, okay.
Belgium versus Korea.
Pochettino has
Either Japan होना चाहिए था. Then I would have gone with Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this Belgium will win, bro.
Yeah.
Belgium.
ठीक है. Let's go Belgium.
Ooh.
Come on, man. Yeah. Monaco. No?
Monaco. Upset. First upset.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
no.
to
Ecuador,
be honest, even
for me,
Morocco also loses, it's an upset only, right?
Bro, and they're playing in fucking Houston, bro. It's going to be hot as fuck. It's Texas, so Houston and Dallas, these two will be. Weather will impact the game.
Yeah.
Senegal goes through.
For me,
Final,
Ecuador.
come on,
I feel
AFCON final
Ecuador,
once
bro.
again.
I feel Ecuador.
I'm telling you, man, Senegal will go through. See, Ecuador are used to playing
जब तो हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा भाव
in
दे
high cold weather.
भाव दे रहे हैं कि नहीं दे रहे?
दे रहे हैं भाई आज तक पहुंच जाए
No, Senegal is
तो माने है
going.
ना इनके पास
हाँ.
बस
Yes, Ronaldo का blessing.
अच्छा to be honest
That doesn't help in the World Cup.
y'all pick
Yeah, only time.
y'all pick your
Should we do Ecuador?
go for Ecuador
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
I will be look back on this.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Mexico.
Yeah. And they're playing in Mexico. Oh,
Has
Yeah,
to
yeah,
capital.
Yeah. England.
England.
Boring.
Ooh. Hey, home stadium for Messi.
Of course.
Home stadium for Messi.
Rivals, right.
Proper rivals. Huh?
Argentina.
But I think Argentina.
I feel it'll be an interesting match, but Argentina will take it.
I feel like Valverde might break Messi's leg finally.
But look at the groups. It's so perfectly placed. Like Turkey versus Egypt, Argentina versus Uruguay.
Exactly होता पता है कब?
Iran versus USA.
I'm sure that'll happen at some point.
Yeah, हो गया है already. ना?
Chalo, so for
हाँ.
Turkey, Egypt.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Arda Güler.
Guler versus
Yeah.
Salah.
Switzerland.
Iran.
Switzerland, bro.
Iran. Let's get Iran. Wild card.
No, bro. Switzerland, please.
Just for the fun.
Why?
No.
सारी यूरोपियन टीम से ज्यादा वो दे रहा है.
अरे, यहाँ पे वेदर भी फैक्टर नहीं होगा ब्रो. वैंकूवर में.
Of course Switzerland is going to win this, but just for the fun. No?
चलो ठीक है.
Wait,
ठीक है.
नहीं पहले देखते हैं, is it possible for USA and Iran to come together if they go ahead?
यूएसए को हम लोग डाला है क्या आगे? जैसे अभी तक
हाँ.
जीत गया है. नहीं कहाँ है यूएसए?
USA है ऊपर कहीं पे था.
यहाँ था ना.
हाँ ये रहा.
Yeah.
Belgium versus USA.
Oh,
नहीं बहुत दूर रहेगा भाई.
No man, not gonna happen.
सेमीफाइनल फाइनल में मिलेंगे वो लोग.
Yeah, fuck that.
Oh, final.
Big dreams.
फिनाले.
Yeah.
Switzerland.
Switzerland final.
Oh my god, this will be hard,
Yeah.
man.
This will be
Haaland
hard.
versus Ronaldo.
Portugal and Norway will be hard.
चितिया हो गया.
Bro, Portugal.
जो पोर्चुगल की जर्सी में बोल रहा है ये पहन के. क्या है नाम लिखा है पीछे कुछ तेरे जर्सी के पीछे?
No, this is a neutral jersey. मेरा नाम वाला jersey is coming.
किसका नाम आ रहा है?
Sue! चलो, let's go up.
Confused motherfucker.
नायर सो गया क्या?
नहीं. I should have
Germany,
also
France.
Happy Fizz.
Yeah, he chose.
I chose the wrong
Substance.
substance. नहीं दूंगा यार. Come on, that's bleep this.
नहीं कर पाए.
Huh?
Happy Fizz नहीं कर पाए.
Now it's too late to get Happy Fizz.
ये देख जले पे नमक छिड़क रहा है देख.
पानी पी रहा हूँ, bro. पानी पीने दे.
ठीक है,
चलो.
next.
Hard game.
France, yeah, come on.
At Philly.
Yeah, France.
Yeah.
उनसे.
France is, I feel, the
But
top.
don't tell me they're not going to reach another World Cup.
Brazil.
Yeah, man.
Not another final.
But who
Brazil.
do you feel that Germany can defeat France?
No यार.
But this next game is awesome, you know, it's because
Yeah,
it's
France versus-
Vinny
Vini versus Mbappe.
Mbappe. Stage is set.
अबे मत करना और नायर.
Substance abuse. नीचे disclaimer डाल देना. Narcotics bureau.
Meme चिपका देना.
Is set in a bad example for kids. Alcohol versus.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Spain.
Croatia, Spain.
Spain.
Belgium. Oof, hard. It'll be a
This
good
is
game.
tough to tell.
Sad.
Hard game, yeah.
Probably Belgium.
Let's give USA because
Home?
Where are they playing? Seattle. I don't know. How's
We
it?
need some upset somewhere, bro.
It's up northwest.
But
so
USA
it's-
cannot upset, I think. Honestly.
no.
But with
USA can't.
Pochettino, with the squad they have, maybe they can.
You want to take US ahead?
No, bro. I trust in Courtois. They'll keep them.
Cool.
They can. Yeah, that's true actually.
That's true. Ecuador again?
No, man.
No, I think now that's the end of their journey.
Morocco.
I'll give it to Morocco.
England.
Oh.
Mexico versus England. I
Will
think
they choke is the question.
No. It's not so soon.
not so soon.
Not
I
so
think
soon.
The next game is going to be that game.
Yeah.
This can be an upset, dude.
Why not? Next game might be Morocco and
And
England.
they're playing again in Mexico City. Are you kidding me? तो home पे home. Oh my god. Okay.
क्योंकि और ट्रम्प ने वॉल बना दिया ना, they can't go to USA.
But यहाँ पे I feel like Arda will score some insane goals, 2 goals,
But Turkey will lose.
but still
What if-
Argentina will go ahead.
Will you be sad if Arda scores hat-trick and then Nico Pass scores the winner?
Obviously, it'll be sad.
Yeah,
I won't be sad. I'll be
but
happy for Nico.
I'll be happy that he scored 3 goals.
Yeah. I mean, I'm talking about the result. Will you be sad with the result?
If Argentina is winning, I will be sad.
Hate watch number 2.
तेरे 2 थे
मेरा-
watches.
हाँ, मेरा एक तो ये है अपना Spain for
Spain.
sure.
And
I hate them. दूसरा is like, it's not a hate watch, but I just don't want USA to perform well. But अभी clearly we are giving them a lot
US
of
से क्या
leeway.
प्रॉब्लम है तेरे को?
वीजा नहीं मिला ना उसको.
He's getting
नहीं
banned for
भाई.
future.
तू रह के इतने साल से वहाँ पे.
वीजा नहीं देना.
I have no connections to that country, dude.
Wow.
Wow.
He just said fuck USA.
You all did
I would
not
prefer
accept me.
Mexico.
I don't accept you all.
No.
Oh, fair.
So, but yeah.
That's why he likes his adopted continent now. He's like, सारे European countries will go far ahead.
Argentina,
Yeah. Argentina.
Argentina.
Portugal.
Oh, this has to happen, man.
Oh
This
my
is
God.
this has to happen.
It will happen
Oh,
Yeah.
this is crazy.
This is yeah.
unless Guller is in a different mood.
Dude, what happens? Wait, Portugal. I want to go see if Portugal finishes second. Will they avoid Argentina? Fully? Portugal का second कौन था group में?
हाँ भाई
देख।
Turkey था क्या?
Oh, I
नहीं टर्की नहीं था. Colombia.
Let's
Right?
go back.
Colombia था. Where is
Yes.
Colombia? They will be on the other side, bro. If they do that, that is an easier path for. Oh, they'll meet fucking Spain.
France आएगा भाई.
They'll meet Spain, bro.
France आएगा.
That's a pretty tough group on top.
That's Brazil है. Fuck that.
No, I think Argentina को हराना चाहिए भाई.
Yeah, Argentina is much more easier to defeat, I feel, than all of them. France and Spain are literally the top 2 teams, I feel.
Oh, इधर मजा आएगा अभी थोड़ा. Let's see. Go from the top.
Yes.
Okay, let the games begin.
You know,
तुम-
I feel France will, but I want Brazil to go ahead.
I want Brazil to.
I feel Brazil warrants it.
Yeah.
I don't mind
I
if
hope Brazil
France
goes
goes
through.
ahead, but I would want Brazil because
Because I don't want Dembele to win another fucking Ballon d'Or.
That's
I
not the
really-
reason for me, but
But then
For me,
Rafinha
it's-
Rafinha also can win, na, if Brazil wins.
not really.
Vinny can
No.
also win.
Yes.
Vinny can finally win.
Who?
Marquinhos है. I don't know.
Marquinhos is also there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brazil. I'm going to pick Brazil.
I'll also go for Brazil. So
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Or France.
Okay.
Because
Then Spain, I guess.
need
Spain goes through.
Yeah. This is quite obvious.
Then England.
Then we got
in
Morocco versus England. Tough.
Nice.
World Cup is
Tight game होगा.
क्या है उनका?
Very defensive teams.
What is the
Huh?
slogan? It's coming home.
It's coming home.
ऐसे कुछ है ना?
It's coming home. Since 1983.
1966.
66, yes, not 83.
I'll go.
That is our cricket. That was our cricket.
Are you serious? They have not won World Cup since then?
Yeah.
This is fucked up, man. चल then. But this can be
World Cup क्या है? Any cup actually. They haven't
Morocco
won
go
anything.
ahead.
Bellingham, bro. Harry Kane, Bellingham.
Yeah. na. I'll go with
No
it.
soft spot.
Honestly, I'll go with it.
Yeah.
Madrid का सिर्फ बेलिंगम है ना?
Magic
Yeah,
versus
fine list.
England.
Yeah.
Kind of Trent, but Trent is not picked, right?
Trent is not picked.
Oh,
Trent is not picked.
Trent did not get picked. No.
कौन है राइट बैक उनका?
Spence and
don't know,
James from Chelsea.
Reece.
Reece James.
Oh, Reece James.
Yeah.
Cool.
The hard one.
Toss
The hardest one of all.
खत्म करें. Toss
Like
करके.
Portugal, man. Come on.
Toss. Come on, not gonna happen.
Their midfield is stacked. Their fucking
True.
defense is stacked. Their forward is
Argentina. हाँ तो Argentina is solid. Okay.
What?
They are players who are used to winning a lot of things, and they also have great players. What are you
Winning
talking
what?
about?
नहीं वो तो है. He's right. They have won
Back to
everything,
back,
right?
so
All
they've got
the
that winning mentality.
Copa America,
Just three.
World Cup.
Portugal.
So they are
won
more
the Nations
experienced for sure.
League.
They're more
Portugal won the
experienced,
Nations League.
It's been a while.
but not comparable.
Nations
and
League
they
is
will
not
win it
comparable to Copa.
Copa America, यार. Copa America is hard.
It's okay.
Out
Whatever
of the
it is.
Nations League.
अच्छा तू मुझे बता ये
Yeah.
जो हमने सिलेक्ट किए सारे
Spain, France.
उसमें से कितने कोपा
England.
अमेरिका खेलता है?
Wow, he's saying
अरे,
Copa
All
America.
the South American teams.
South American teams को they've come quite आगे, bro. Like now we have reached a stage where it's all
बता मेरे
European.
को
Maybe we are biased, bro.
इसमें
Maybe
से-
we are biased.
इसमें से बता मेरे को कोपा अमेरिका कितने हैं और यूरो वाले कितने हैं बता मेरे
How
को
many South American teams and how many European teams?
Two.
Currently, there's only one. There's Argentina, that's it. And Brazil.
No, there's Brazil also.
बस
Yeah,
Yes.
and Brazil.
बस
So it's
It's-
technically it's 2 to 4. नहीं, कितना है? There's 8 teams,
I
right?
There are more European teams also.
It's African.
There are like 16
Don't wait
Copa
for
America
that.
teams.
I'm
Yeah.
not breaking any law.
Pool. The pool is bigger also. So
There's so many more European teams. I'm not saying that the
Yeah.
top European teams are not better.
I'm not even
bro, but the conditions will favor South American teams. Trust me. हम actually now that I think back.
Fine. Argentina versus Portugal. Flip a coin.
Of the heat? You are telling
Flip-
Portugal don't have heat?
Compared to these, no, like it's fucking
Bro.
hot, bro.
the thing is Messi is
Come
even
on,
playing
bro.
in USA from I don't know how long now.
He's used to playing in that Miami weather.
भाई देख तुम लोग को अर्जेंटीना लेना है लो
नहीं मेरे को तो पोर्चुगल ही चाहिए. मैं तो in general I'm saying about
मैं
the
बोल
Copa
रहा
America
हूँ,
teams.
Flip
I
a coin.
will have a
feel
favor.
Portugal has a better team.
Flip a coin.
Yeah, that's the only way we can go ahead with
Flip-
it.
क्या flip a coin क्यों? There's 3-1, bro. You are the only one who's supporting Argentina.
Oh, sort fair.
I want to
it's-
just see still what does the coin say.
Yes, what does the coin say?
Okay, let's see.
Heads है तो
Let's see.
Wait, let Nair call. He's the one again.
Okay, Nair call.
So let
Nair call.
Nair call.
Yeah.
heads है
Okay,
तो
let's go.
अर्जेंटीना
हाँ ठीक है.
That's Argentina.
Tails. पहले दिखा दे रिजल्ट. हाँ. I don't require VAR here. Oh,
क्या मैंने भी नहीं देखा है भाई अभी तक.
मुझे भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
Heads.
It's a heads.
वाह.
Argentina.
Well done, Portugal.
It is Argentina.
Heads is
Oh,
Argentina.
fine, Argentina. Sorry.
Yeah.
ये देख ये बारसा fans.
It is still 3-2 by the way.
Yeah. ठीक है fine.
The coin favored. ठीक है. Brazil, Spain.
Wait हमने क्या सिलेक्ट किया अर्जेंटीना?
हाँ heads बोला ना तू.
हाँ तो क्या वो 3-2 है ना फिर भी. Coin and Nair and हम तीन.
कर दे. It's fine. क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
Yeah.
चल. साला. यहाँ पे तो जीतने दे.
तो coin toss क्यों किया हमने? We could have just gone ahead, bro.
I just wanted to see what coin favors. That's it. What is luck favors?
What is luck going to favor?
Yeah. Here I feel it might be Spain. Even though I hate saying that,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
feel it can be Spain. But it will be
Dude, this
Brazil
is
also.
actually a very tough game.
यहाँ पे
Very
तुम लोग को
difficult.
अपना वेदर क्लाइमेट साउथ अमेरिकन टीम नहीं डिपेंड
है of course है यहाँ पे भी भाई टेक्सास में खेल रहे लोग. Brazilians will have an
Holy
advantage.
fuck.
But the problem is most of the Brazilians play in Europe, dude. They're also not used to it.
True.
So it's not like it's gonna help them.
I would pick Brazil.
I am also kind of inclined to pick Brazil.
Yeah, even I want Brazil actually.
Yeah, 3-1. Let's go, Brazil.
Endrick will score the winner.
Oh fuck, that guy.
Neymar will score the winner.
Trust.
Bro, Neymar अभी fit भी नहीं हुआ भाई. Let's hope he's fit.
Portugal. This is easy. Portugal.
Oof. Okay. Yeah.
Oof,
Easy.
Yeah, इसमें तो it's come on.
Now we should be
Argentina-
thinking more, bro. England solid defense, bro. 0 goals conceded पूरे qualifiers में.
Yeah, I agree. But we have, I think Portugal has good midfielders to like break it.
See, I think Vitinha is perfect for this setup because
Bruno is having a splendid season.
Yeah,
Bruno is also
Ronaldo
brilliant.
will catch his positions. He knows how to get
But
into position.
bro, they should not be selfish and like last Euros, they were not passing it to Ronaldo, bro.
Yeah.
I
That
feel
was-
this season they
that
all
should not
have
happen
only
again.
one mentality, bhai.
Yeah, bhai.
Even Ronaldo is going with that. Ronaldo, I don't think so. He cares this time how much game time he's getting,
Arey,
whether
but
he's
he
on the
knows how
bench
to-
or not.
Are you sure?
I feel.
What do you think? What do you guys think? How is the coach? How is the coach going to play Ronaldo this time?
I hope he plays him 60 minutes, 70
Super
minutes.
sub में
पूरा game मत
यार
खिलाओ.
60 minutes पहला खेलेगा या सुपर सब में
हाँ.
आएगा. He's not going to play full 90.
No.
I don't know
अगर
if
ऐसा
he'll be
किया
better
तो
as an impact
पोर्टुगल
sub or
जीतेगा.
not.
मैं लिख के दे
Because
सकता हूँ.
impact
But
sub-
खेलेगा.
Knowing Ronaldo, he will not, bro. He will play. He has
वो
that ego
वो
to.
Ramos ना उनका striker.
हाँ.
Gonzalo Ramos.
He's also
yes.
top form, right?
Joao
No,
Felix
he's-
is more.
Joao Felix is also
like,
there.
Joao Felix, yeah.
सऊदी में जाके तो वो पागल हो गया वहाँ पे भी.
Same team.
Top scorer था भाई वो. Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. I feel Portugal has a good chance.
Portugal has a very good chance.
Over England, yes.
And Portugal versus Brazil finals, Neymar versus Ronaldo, both last chance.
Yeah.
It
let's
will
go
be
with that.
exciting as fuck, dude.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay,
Yep.
Brazil versus Portugal.
Vinny
Now,
versus Ronaldo.
This is idle.
Neymar versus Ronaldo. Fuck Vinny.
This will be crazy. I would rather want Argentina versus Portugal here, but
This is better.
I don't mind.
This is a second.
this is also quite fun.
yeah, one
Yeah.
of the two,
One South American team, one European team,
and both the
two top legends. Your Neymar and
last chance, last
Yeah.
dance.
Dono who have not won, by the way. Messi has still won, so fuck him. At least Neymar and Ronaldo last chance to win the World Cup.
Yeah,
It'll be exciting. Don't you all want this?
I would love it. If
Yeah.
it happens, yes. Yeah.
everyone will.
But I feel his side may it'll be France, to be
I
honest.
know, but France or Spain also.
Yeah, France or Spain might end up.
France
here.
or Spain.
Brazil
But
has
let's
to,
see. Also.
France and Brazil has to defeat Spain. So if they reach finals defeating France and Spain, Portugal is going to have a tough time.
Yeah,
Yeah, they came from the harder side.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah.
But still, I would want to see this.
But yeah,
votes.
if that is the case, who do we pick?
I'm going Portugal.
Portugal.
Portugal, yeah.
Like, come on. See, I feel after so
Maybe-
many years,
maybe-
Portugal finally has a team to win the World Cup.
Yeah,
And they have every look at how they're playing, dude. Every fucking game. How many goals pe goals ठोक रहे यार? I feel
If only Ronaldo,
they've lost
if
to
only
Turkey.
Ronaldo got this team a few years back, like
yeah.
5-6 years
in
back.
his prime, imagine. Oh fuck.
It would have been
Why?
insane. And उनका coach कौन है इनका Portugal का वो Martin
Nothing great.
someone
Martinez.
He was
Martinez.
going crazy, dude. उसके
Yeah.
अंदर तो team is just attacking team खेल रहे हैं. Not
Yes.
they don't have a defensive mindset. They are playing like a fucking unit, a team, proper team. Their intention is only to keep scoring goals. I don't know.
Then yeah, we know who's winning then.
I know who's winning. What is it? Ronaldo.
19 July.
वो देख उसका मूड खराब होगा. ये 4 साल हम लोग ने भी सफर किया. कर ले तो थोड़ा.
No, it's okay. It's fine. I mean,
What do you
he deserves to win.
Keeping
It's
all the
okay.
bias, don't you think Ronaldo deserves?
No, he doesn't.
Deserves the World Cup is very difficult to say that. A lot of people deserve it. I would like Modric to have also won. ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of people deserve to win. But it's the fucking World Cup.
चल ठीक है. मेसी के बाद who is the next top best player according to you?
Modric.
This guy.
LM10.
Tell me Modric is not deserving. Come on. Tell
मैं
me.
बोल देता. कम से कम नेमार बोल
नहीं,
देता.
Neymar's his career is over, man. He hardly plays.
Ronaldo is winning it and breaking the internet.
Congratulations to all Madristas. Celebrate.
Selecao.
19 July.
It was a difficult journey for you. I understand now.
just let's see. यही रखते हैं.
I'm going to remind you of 19 July every time I fucking meet
All I'm saying is like there's a very good chance कि the finals will be repeated also. Argentina versus France भी हो सकता है.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Like Mbappe has a chance to take his revenge.
Fine.
So how do you all want to end this recording at least?
Like, share, and subscribe, guys.
And look out for our next episode. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
and
घंटी
what?
बजा दे. Ring the bell.
And what? Wait, and what? Click the bell icon
Look out
below.
for
किसको बोल रहा है? मेरे को बोल रहा है क्या?
post edits.